Part 1. Now, what is nutrition? The process of intaking food and its proper utilization by our body is known as nutrition. Plants generally prepare their own food. They do not depend on any other organism for their nutrition or for their food purpose. They prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But in the contrast part, animals cannot prepare their own food by themselves. They are directly or indirectly depend on the plants for their food or nutrition. Organisms require this nutrition for the different purposes, like food or nutrition helps them to grow and growth and development of the body, to repair the damaged cells, for providing energy to carry out the life activities, different life activities, and it also helps to fight against the disease. The food contains some chemical substance which is known as nutrients, which provide nutrition to our body. These nutrients are carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamin, minerals. Carbohydrates and fats are generally energy-giving food. Protein is building block food. They help for the growth and development of the body. While carbohydrates and fats are energy-giving food. They helps to gain the energy, to provide energy. Vitamin and minerals helps to fight against any disease, to develop the immunity of the body. Steps for the nutrition, or you may say that steps for holozoic nutrition. What does holozoic means? Holozoic means the intaking of the food in the solid form, or we can call it as taking off or intaking of solid foods, or as a whole. The nutrition follows 5 steps. First, ingestion. That means the intaking of food into the mouth. Second step is digestion. These food particles are further divided or broken into simpler and smaller compounds. This process we call it as digestion. This happens with several digestive enzymes, with the help of several digestive enzymes. Third step is absorption. These smaller or simpler compounds are further absorbed by the blood. Next step is assimilation. These absorbed nutrients by the bloods are further utilized by our body for providing energy, growth, development of the body. The last step is egestion. Now, during this whole steps of nutrition, there are some parts of the food left which are undigested. These undigested part of the food or waste parts are removed from the body. This process we call it as egestion. Hello everyone, myself Shilpa from St.Georgia Girls School. Welcome to this video, Nutrition in Animal Part. Nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. It is microscopic. It has no fixed shape. It is having finger-like projection called pseudopodia. It engulfs its food or prey with the help of pseudopodia. They stretch pseudopodia around the food and fuse with each other, which form a vacuole in the cell called food vacuole. The digestive juice in the food vacuole act on the food and break it down into the simpler soluble substance, which are further absorbed and utilized in the cytoplasm of the amoeba. The undigested food is expelled from the body through the cell membrane. Hydra is an aquatic plant. It is having many tube-like structure ejecting from the mouth, which is called as tentacles. These tentacles helps it to catch the prey, and it is having stinging cells on the tentacles, which inject on that prey and kills it. After that, it pushes these tentacles help to push this prey or food into its mouth, where it goes into the body of Hydra. Their digestive juice secreted from the body wall, and it digests the food. Frog is having a strong, long, sticky tongue, which help it to catch the prey. The prey gets stuck onto its tongue. It is also having teeth, which help to grind the food. It is having well-developed digestive system. Nutrition in insects such as butterfly, mosquito, they are having a sucking tube, which is known as proboscis, which helps them to suck the liquid, to suck the food in the liquid form, such as mosquito suck the blood of the organism for their nutrition, while insects such as butterfly suck the nectar from the flowers for their nutrition with the help of proboscis. Our topic is human digestive system. The digestive system of human being is a complex organ system consisting of many organs such as mouth, which is also called as buccal cavity, esophagus or food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. It is collectively called as the alimentary canal or digestive tract. It is about 8 to 10 meter long in adults. There are certain glands also which are associated with the digestive tract. These are salivary gland, pancreas and liver. Now we will study the role of various organs in the process of digestion in human beings. First is mouth. Digestion of food starts in the mouth with the help of saliva, tongue and teeth. Saliva is secreted by the salivary gland, which is present in the buccal cavity or mouth. This saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase, which acts upon the starch present in the food and break it into simple sugars such as maltose and dextrin. It also makes the food slippery. It wets the food. Next organ is tongue. Tongue is muscular in nature, can be rolled in any direction. It helps us to turn and mix the food with saliva. It also helps to push chewed food into esophagus. There is a large number of small bird-like structure present on our tongue, which is called as taste buds. These are sensory organs and can detect different types of taste such as sweet, salt, sour and bitter. Previously, it was believed that tongue is having a specific reason for detecting specific taste. However, this is not true. The entire tongue with the taste buds can sense all the types of taste more or less equally. It also helps us to speak. In human beings, there are two sets of teeth in their lifetime. In a child, from the age of 6 months to 8 years, 20 milk teeth grow, which are temporary set of teeth. These milk teeth are get replaced by the age after 16 years of. These are replaced by the permanent set of 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw. The outer part of the tooth is called enamel, which is white in color. It is the hardest substance in our body. There are 4 different types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. There are 4 incisor, 2 canine, 4 premolar and 6 molar teeth in each jaw. Humans are having 4 different types of teeth. They are incisor, canine, premolar and molar. The incisor teeth are scissors in shape and used to bite or cut the food, while canine teeth are pointed in shape and used to tear the food. Premolar and molar are flat, and these teeth are used for crushing and grinding the food. Molar teeth are generally larger in size than premolar. Here is a difference given between milk teeth and permanent teeth.